What's up, guys? This is TRD.JPN. You know what I mean? I'm the AA2 GOAT. That's facts. This is my FX. You know what I mean? See what's cool? Now, these cars can't do this. Fucking fister, dude. You know what I mean? we're just gonna roll with it. But yeah, this is my FX16-GTS. It's a gem. Only made it for 2 years, 87 to 88. Essentially, it's a first gen MR2 or an AA6 four-wheel drive. Sorry for the elitist, wrong wheel drive. But you know what? We'll take a look at it, man. We're doing MT crib style. We're just gonna do it. We're just freestyle. So see here, I got the boomer swag. You know, Moon Eye's hat, Moon Eye's carpet. See, I'm a butthurt. You know, I got my boy's car in Japan. Got the little. By the way, some of your front bumpers, I want them. So it's a JDM FX. I'm not gonna joke anymore. I'm gonna get a little more serious. So I have an OBA racing steering wheel, one on the Japanese auction for 60 bucks. Turns out it's a quite expensive steering wheel. I got the shift knob given by boy Chris, aka Fat Boy Builds. It's PHATBOI Builds, and he's based out of Thompson, Connecticut. He makes shift knobs for if you need anything for EF chassis, makes it 3D printing and makes shift knobs. And I went to Georgia with this car, everywhere, Florida, Georgia, anywhere, bro. It's a Toyota. Let's go places, right? So I have these 4-spoke NK Apache 2s. I was even expecting these wheels to even be like appropriate to the air of the car. I kind of just was like, oh, they pop in the car. And I got the good old Initial D Tofu machine engine. You know what I mean? And I got it's a 4AG 16 valve. It's a blue top, so it has not a lot of horsepower because you already know them diesel boys doing dumb shit. But so basically, this one restricts all the extra power. So the Japanese ones make 130. The US specs make 112. And unfortunately, I got hit in the groin because of horsepower. But it's a little car, you know what I mean? Got the sticker for the medians. You know it looks slow, bro, because it actually is. It's not quick, trust me. Downhill, fuck around and find out. Hand swing thing, you know. That's my little Toyota, you know. I gotta do an air appropriate, man, Kusha style. But yeah, so this is definitely a car. I worked hard for this shit, 2 years. Hope you guys like it, man. All around. You're square. If you're any Hot Wheels, I sell Hot Wheels. My buddy Aaron, FA5_ Aaron sells Hot Wheels. We all sell them. These I have a bunch, you know what I mean? If you ever need any Hot Wheels cars, if you're looking for any, hit your boy up, hit my boy Aaron up. We sell all of them. Got fucking Decatoras. Do not quote me how to properly pronounce it. I'm not Japanese, alright? I got the Mario Kart ones, I got the GR Supras, I got a whole plethora of them. I used to have like 3 totes. I did not bring those at all. I feel like an idiot. I usually bring them, but yeah, we have everything. Just hit me up at TRD.JPN. I don't have my Instagram thing ready. I'm fucking this up already. I'm winging it. And I have FA5_ Aaron for Hot Wheels stuff. That's my homies. You gotta support the homies. Remember that. Yeah, he sat in my car yesterday. He's talking about, oh, Toyota. I saw a picture you guys make.
What did he got? What did he got?
best position. God bless. Whoop, there you go.